So guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe you guys were with us during the week. You can check my previous videos that I just uploaded on Sunday on the Euro USD, and we came out in massive profit for that. So right now I'm also looking at ETH USD, that is Ethereum US dollar. I'm also looking at it, and what I can see from the weekly time frame here, this is a up a uptrend. That is a bullish movement. That's what I can see from here. Currently, it's consolidating here, but as we all know, Ethereum is always bullish, and it will keep on being bullish. So from the weekly time frame, I drew my from the weekly time frame, I drew my upper weekly zone, and this is the lower weekly zone. This is the middle weekly zone. So since we've drawn our zone, so we are looking at where we can enter from. And from the weekly, what can we see here? We can see that the market has been doing what? The market has tapped into the weekly zone and rejected. So what we want to do is we want to take the market from here to here. We want to take the market from here to this point, because as I'm looking at this ETH, see, it has hit the weekly upper zone, and maybe it might even come down because it has been consolidating. It's in a consolidating movement. But even if it's in a consolidating movement, I'm expecting a bullish candle from this zone to this zone. That's what I'm expecting for a bullish candle. So let's go deeper into the time frame and see a more clear view. This is the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame here, what can I see? I drew some key levels on this daily time frame here. So this is the first key level I drew here. That is the take profit I'm expecting from the daily time frame, because now the market has done what? It has hit. We said the market is in a consolidating movement. Now the market has hit this middle weekly zone, and now we are expecting the market. The market might do what? Go back up to this point or here. So that is why all this level here for the daily level. This particular one is from the daily, while this also is also from the daily. So this is from the 4 hours time frame. But when we get to the 4 hour time frame, I will make it more clear on why we got a zone here, and we are expecting the market to tap into that zone so we can enter. Then we'll move to this first take profit here. So let's go deeper and see how we can enter our trade, because right now we are seeing some nice structure here. I know the market might do what? The market might want to reverse to the downside because we are consolidating. Since when the market tapping into here, it has been doing what? Creating a series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So creating another lower high here. So that is why we are doing what? We want to take a quick buy to this position. Then maybe we expect the market to come down, because looking from here, you will see that the market has done what? It broke structure. You can see the market has broken a structure here. So that is why I said the market is doing what? It might come down to this zone before going back up. But before then, the market cannot just be coming down just like that. It will still create some bullish movements. But this is what we are taking now. We are trying to take bullish move, the bullish move. Hopefully, because I'm even looking at here, all this demand here, the market has not even tapped into it. So I believe a quick buy to this point is going to be a massive profit. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame and get our entry point on the 4 hours time frame. So on this 4 hour time frame, what can we see on the 4 hours time frame? We can see that the market is doing what? It's trying to create a bullish head and shoulder pattern. And what did I mean by that? This is what I mean here. Give me a sec. Okay, yeah. This is what I mean here. A bullish head and shoulder pattern. So as you can see, so that's what we are expecting from the market. This is it, a bullish head and shoulder pattern. We are expecting it from this market. That is why I said we are going to take a quick buy. And from the 4 hours time frame, you can see that the market is doing what? Creating series of higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. This is after the market broke structure, it's creating series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. We are expecting another higher low. That is to tapping into this maybe breaker block here, or come into this zone, that is into this 4 hour zone that we're looking at, because once we change our chart to the line chart to cancel all these noises, we are going to get where we should be entering from. So all the noises has been cleared. So as you can see, we're expecting the market to do what? To tap into that 4 hour zone. And on that 4 hour zone, it's not just tapping into 4 hour zone, it's also tapping into breaker block. It's also tapping into breaker block. If breaker block fail, it will tap into this other block before doing what? Pushing back to the upside. So that is what I'm looking at on this ETH USD. So how will I take my entry? It's very good and very simple. As you can see, immediately the market tap into this weekly zone, into this weekly key zone here. You did what? It push up. So we're expecting the market to do what? Tap into this key zone here and do what? Push up. So we're going to be setting our entry. We'll be expected to take our entry here, then push it to this side. Anywhere around this zone is good. And this is 1:4. This is what we are expecting to take. We are expecting to take. This is another level again you can take in case, because I also saw this is another level. This is swing. See, even if you don't want to, this particular entry is a much safer entry. The reason why is very simple. Why I said this one is much safer, and is it will give us 1:2 risk reward. And the reason why I said so was because after this break of structure, after this break of structure here, we can see what? We can see the demands here, which can also serve as order block. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're back. Sorry for the delay. So, like I was saying previously, I said this is our break of structure, this is our demand. And what can we see here? We see our inducement. We see inducement here. That's inducement. And we saw what? Fair value gap. You are right. We saw fair value gap here. So as you can see, that's the reason why I said I'm expecting the market might take us out and tap into here. That's why we have two POI. So that is why whenever you are entering into a trade, you always apply proper risk management. And this is what we are expecting. When we take the first one, if we fail, we take the second one. And once we fail, we know the market has started coming back to the downside. So this is what we're expecting here. Tap into here and boom to this side. If we can't get that, we expect the market to do what? Take out all this, tapping into this order block and do what? Boom to this upside. So that is if you enter from here. If you enter from this 4 hours key zone, if you enter from here, that is when you can be having 1:2 risk reward. But for those that might still see something that I'm not seeing because I'm not perfect, they might wait here and set their stop loss somewhere around here. Let's see, this is going to give us like maybe 1:1, and they might put their take profit here. This is 1:5. So as you can see, it's on the three level depending on the one, but the one I prefer most is this first one and this second one. 1:2 risk reward and 1:4 risk reward. Anything after that, once we are taken out, we just have to chill for the market and see the next move, because this is already a change. of character. So I'm expecting maybe the market to drop here before coming back, or the market might even start, because this is a resistance here. So the market might even start coming back to take out all this liquidity here. The market will come back down. So that is just it, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and always turn on the notification bell, for I'll always be uploading every day, every day. Thank you, guys. Cheers.